Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to see all your checklist items from multiple Trello cards in one place, then you're in the right spot because we're going to show you exactly how to link and sync checklist items across cards so you can stay on top of your projects without jumping between dozens of cards. So Trello doesn't have a built-in feature to manage checklists across cards, but there are a few workarounds. So you can start by copying the link of each card with the checklist you want to track. Then paste those links as items in a master checklist. So clicking a link takes you straight to the original card, keeping everything organized in one spot. So for full automation, tools like Butler or Unito can sync checklists across multiple cards. So any changes in one checklist will update the others automatically, which is perfect for big projects or team boards. So this method saves you a lot of time, reduces duplicate work, and keeps your team aligned. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.